see in the drive, okay, in the drive, in this EWM-R structure, okay, this is one Excel sheet we have given now. So I have uploaded one more sheet here, steps, okay. In this we're going to get ERP-R structure, EWM-R structure, and interlinkage between the ERP and EWM. All the steps I have given here, okay. So please go through this, so it will be helpful. And today what we will do, with this only we're going to see whether we have done all these things or not, like that we're going to check it, okay. I will just open the SAP. Okay, here, okay, first thing, yesterday we have completed till what is that, assigning up of the staging error to the various node. Like we have completed the EWM structure. So today's class we will going to discuss how we should give the linkage between the ERP and EWM. Okay, but before to that, I will just go with the steps. Okay, and we're going to do a tick mark for everything, whether we completed this step or not, like that. Okay, we have completed. It is a quick recap to understand what are the different things we need to do to create the org structure in the ERP side and EWM side. Okay, just remember this. Okay, some people are confusing, they are doing the shift transaction in embedded also. Okay, so please don't do that. So I will just see, first step is the defining up of the company code or the client. Okay, and just take it to the SAP here. Okay, SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition. Okay, in the definition, we're going to go to the financial accounting. First thing, we are defining the company. Okay, my company is COMA, like that. We have defined our company. Okay, COMA is the company for us, right? So next thing is, so that I have done. So I will just mark it. Next is the company code. Okay, here we have what is that? Done the company code. Okay, go to the edit check company code. In that, go to the edit company code data. So just check your company code whether it is available or not. COMT was company code. Okay, what is that? Sorry, CCM2. Sorry, CCM2 is your company code. So CCM2 company code is gone. Then we cannot.
CCM1.
No, our company code we have done. CCM2, right? Somebody has deleted CCM2. See here. So please don't touch CCM2. Okay. Now we have to copy it again. Please don't delete it, okay? Whoever using this server, no, please don't touch whatever I have created, or else it will be like we have to waste a lot of time again and again. Here I need to copy everything because I don't know nothing about the FI. So I just want to copy all the GL accounts and everything. But here so many different companies are also available within this. So that is why it will take a lot of time. And we can check, okay, who has deleted and all, it will be available, but it is a waste. So please don't delete it again, okay? If company code is there, nothing will going to work in the further code, right? So that is why I am creating this company code again, because we need to create the PO and all, means this is must. So by that time, we'll have some discussion about the questions and answers. Okay. So let us consider some different plants are there which are storing the materials into one particular warehouse. How we can identify which material belongs to which plant? Hello, audible, right?
So we are assigning, right? That PET.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So through the PED only we'll be getting which material is belongs to which plant. Okay. So you should remember this PED. Okay. Most of the time they may ask the question. Okay, what is PED and all, and how will going to give the what is that location or address to the warehouse?
We have to execute in SC38 for the location 3, right?
No. I'm not asking about location for the warehouse. I'm asking.
Okay. Program we have to execute.
Yes, SCU, exactly. Okay.
SCC.
Supply chain unit will going to use it to assign the address to the warehouse. Okay. So in the SCU, once we're going to assign it to the means while creating the SCU only, while creating the SCU only, you will going to get, okay, like what are the address or the coordinates for your company code. Okay, so that one you will going to get it, right? So SCU is the one thing. And let us consider in the decentralized system, there are so many different ERP systems are connected with the EWM system. Okay, so how we will going to understand which data is coming from which system? If one certain data is coming, means how you understand that data is come from this system only?
Through the logical system.
No, business system group.
Business system.
Okay, so through the business system group, we have discussed about this also, right? So mine is ECM2. Okay, I don't want to change anything here. I'm just go into the details and make ECM2 here. Go to the address ECM2. Save it. Okay, please don't delete. Okay, don't delete anything. It will be a problem. Not a problem, but we will waste the time. That's it. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so I will just do this mark, this as a tick mark. Okay, my company code is also done now. Now we will going to define our plan. Okay, so define logistic general. Okay, here define plant. Okay, so in this my plant is PLM2. PLM2 is available. Okay, so this is my plant. So I will just mark this one. Okay, then define storage locations. I will just minimize this and go to the okay, material management and maintain storage locations is there. Okay, here just give your plant PLM2. We will going to see your storage locations. Okay, they are available. Go back and you just mark it over here. The storage locations is also available. Next, purchasing org. Okay, mine is POM2, purchasing org. POM2 is also deleted. Okay, copy it. Okay, I'll just make it a POM2. Save it. Okay, my purchasing org is also available now. And now define sales org. Okay, so this one is done. Okay, and we are going to do the sales organization. So I'll go with first one, sales organization. Okay, first define sales org. Within that, I have to see my sales org SOM2. SOM2 is also not there. Okay, I will just copy it now. Okay. So SOM is created, sales order. We have done this also. Next, distribution channel. Okay, we have to check whether our distribution channel is created or not. Okay, so go here. This is what the distribution channel we are creating. So I have taken 10 only. Okay, I am not creating a new one. So just check whether 10 distribution channel is there. Okay, this is available. Okay, so this one also I am going to mark it here. Next thing is ERP warehouse. I have to create the ERP warehouse here, right? So for this, we will go to the logistic execution. So under that, check ERP warehouse. Okay, I'm going to do that. Means in the WM2, I have to check WM2 is available. Okay, I will go back. I will check this also. Then define shipping point. Okay, so here define check delete shipping point is there. Just execute this. Go to the define shipping point. Okay, we need to check whether our shipping point is available or not. SPM. Okay, it is available. So we have created whatever the shipping points, means all the definitions are done. Okay, so here whatever the ERP all structure definitions are there, they are this much, and we have marked everything. Okay, you have noticed it. Now we will go for the assignment part. Okay, in the assignment part, okay, I will just minimize this definition. Go to the assignments here. First thing is we are assigning company code to the company. Okay, so go to the financial accounting. Okay, assign company code to company. Execute this and just say CCM2. For this, I need to assign the company because somebody had deleted it. So now I have to assign it again. COMA is my company. If you are assigning the company, okay, it is okay. Okay, if you are not assigning also, it is okay. No, not an issue. Okay, this client is as of now, it is not required, but we have assigned it. That is fine. So assign client to company code. Second step. So here in the logistic general, we are going to assign the client to company code. Okay, my company code is CCM2. For this, sorry, yeah, plant, no, correct, sorry. PLM2, I have to check. PLM2 is assigned to CCM1 here, just check. So I need to delete this. Okay. Save. Now I have to give my new entry CCM2 PLM2. Okay. So just save this. The assignment is done. So I will just give the mark here and assign purchasing orders to client. Okay. Purchasing organization, we have to go here. So assign purchasing organization to company code, assign purchasing organization to client. Okay, just open this. So go to the purchasing organization POM2. This one should be assigned to CCM2 here. Okay, so just save this. Okay, we'll just check the client also, and we're going to mark both of the things. Okay. POM2, I don't think it will come, so it is not available. So go to the new entries, POM2, PLM2. Okay, so save it. So I will just mark these two things. Okay, so we have assigned the purchasing organization to the company code, purchasing organization to the client. It is done. Now go back. Okay, go to the sales and distribution. Here, assign sales organization to the company code. We have to assign our sales organization to the company code. That is SOM2. It is assigned to CCM1. So I need to make it to CCM2. Yeah, this is not ours. No, we have to give something here. Or else it will not make it. Or else we can delete this. Okay, this CCM2 is done. Just save this. This is not ours. Okay. Okay, just check once again. Okay. Purchasing or sales or yes or M2. It is assigned. CCM2 is assigned. Okay, go back. Next, assign distribution channel to sales organization. Okay, ours is SOM2. For this, I want to have a 10 as a sales organization. It is available. See, this one is ours. If others are available also, it is okay. Okay, but it should be there. 10 should be there for us. For SOM2, 10 is there. So we will just mark these things. Okay, assign sales order to distribution channel is also done. Next, assign division to sales order. Okay, division is 00 or 10. We can take SOM2. Okay, so for SOM2, the 10 is available. That is fine for us. Okay, we will just consider 10 only. Okay, 10 as a what is that division, sales division. Okay, go back. This is our sales division. Okay, so that is also done. Next, set up a sales area. We'll go here. Okay, we need to assign this SOM2 for 10 and 10 combination. So it is available. See, 10 and 10 combination, it is available for us. So we have defined this as well. Okay, so this is also done for us. Next is assign sales organization, distribution channel, and plan. Right. So go to the here, this one, assign sales organization, distribution channel, and plan. Okay, just enter it here. Okay, so just go to SOM2, 10 and 10. Sorry. Okay, SOM2, 10, real M2. Okay, this one you need to check. So SOM2 is there, 10 is there, PLM2, it is assigned. Okay, so this one is also done for us. Okay, just I will mark it here. Mark it here. Okay, that is X. So next is assignment of the warehouse. Okay, so we have to go to the logistic execution, assign warehouse number to plant and storage location. This is very, very important. Okay, so without this, you cannot able to, means after this, what we'll do, we will be assigning your warehouse number. This is one dummy warehouse number. Okay, dummy in the sense if we are creating this warehouse number in the ERP system. This warehouse number only will going to give the interlinkage to EWM system. Without this step, you shouldn't move. Okay, and just go here. Just check your client whether your client PLM2 is available or not. So PLM2, AFS, WM2 is there. PLM2 already WM2 is there. Both are intact. Okay, so we have assigned them and assign shipping client to client. You just check this one. So I will just find PLM2 as a client. Okay, this PLM2 client, you can see it here. Double click on this. Under this, how many shipping clients are there? So many are there, but yours is SPM2. Just check that whether SPM2 is available or not. See, SPM2 is also available within this PLM2. Okay, so then all the definitions also are intact. Okay, all the definitions are available now. Okay, we have done all the R structure from ERP side. ERP R structure is done. But we have to do the determination. See, what is the determination? What is my shipping point? If this is the plant, what is my shipping point? What will be my loading group? What will be my shipping conditions? That one we're going to define here. Second thing is assign goods shipping point means whenever the goods are coming, this should come to this particular storage location only, or in this particular point only the goods should come. Like that, we are defining it here. Okay, those things we're going to check it. Where we will going to check that? We will go to the logistic execution. Okay, under that, go to the shipping. Here, basic shipping functions. Okay, and here we will going to see the shipping and goods shipping points. Go to the assign shipping point. Okay, we will go into the selection by content and take the plant. And okay, minus PLM2. Choose. See, I have assigned this PLM2, SPM2 is there, and I have given the loading group at 0001. For that also, SPM2 is there. And I have given all the different combinations. Okay, if you are just using the SPM2 also, it will take. If you are using some shipping conditions also, it will take. Like that, we have given the combination. That's it. Okay. So this determination is, first determination is done. Second one, we will check it. Okay, second is assign good system point to the inbound deliveries. Okay, what should be the good system point like that? Okay, just give your pen PLM2. Okay, ROD is we have assigned. Okay, and something. Okay, here it is. Okay, PLM2, ROD, and SPM2. Okay, I will just see somebody had created means. Okay, so that will also going to copy here. Okay, so I will just delete them for myself. Okay, this is only for the plant PLM2. Okay, for your plant it will be available. Okay, so I have created this much. Okay, so this WMN somebody had kept it means. Okay, so this is not the one because we need to assign our shipping point. Okay, if you have defined the shipping point as WMN, that is fine, but WMN might not be the shipping point for you. So this is what I have explained. Okay, so SPM2 is my shipping point, and this is whatever the goods we are receiving, this should come to the ROD. Okay, so that is what we have given here. Okay, so I will just save this. So this is also done for us. So we have completed entirely the R structure. One more step is I have not given here. So this is, we have to give the split indicator here. Okay, in the shipping, go to the deliveries. Under that, define split criteria for the deliveries. Under this, delivery split by warehouse number. Okay, so we need to take this. Okay, without delivery split, if you are bringing, okay, I have explained this already. Okay, if you are bringing some 100, you have ordered 100 materials to one particular vendor, but he cannot able to provide all the 100 material at once. Okay, he will be sending 4 materials in one particular truck and 4 materials in another truck. Okay, big machines are there. So in that case, we are splitting your delivery. Okay, whatever the delivery is there, we are splitting like that. They are telling. Okay, this is one important thing we have to define it at our end. Okay, for WM2, I have already assigned the delivery split indicator. Okay, so this is also done from our end. So this is what it is all about, the ERP org structure. Now we're going to check any doubts here in the ERP org structure. Okay, so we'll just quickly go through the EWM org structure now. Okay, what we have done, everything we're going to check it. So okay, next in the EWM org structure is we have to go to the SPRO IMG, and in this IMG I will go to the SCM EWM extended warehouse management. Under that, first is the master data. Okay, here I will going to copy the warehouse number in the logistic execution. So sorry, cross process settings. Okay, here I'm going to copy the warehouse number. I'll just see whether that warehouse number is available or not. Okay, I'll go to the define warehouse numbers. Mine is WHM2. Okay, WHM2 is available. So next, go to the assign warehouse number. Just go inside this. Okay, for WHM2, whatever we have assigned, it will going to show here. Okay, what is my SCCU? SCCU is available or not? Okay, if it is not available, definitely it will not going to assign here. I am just showing it here. Okay, so go to the logistics. Okay, here SCM EWM. Once we'll go to the master data, the first one SCMB, SCU main. Okay, just double click on this. Here my SCU is this one, WHMPSU, copy and paste it here. 10008 should be there. Okay, and just go to the display. You can see 1008 as the location type, and we have given the address here. Okay, sorry, here we have given the address, so that is why it is taking the latitude and all these things. And alternative, we have just assigned the INV. Okay, only warehouse I have assigned here. Okay, so that is why I can able to add it over here. Okay, 162 is my custodian. We'll just check that also. I will go to the BP and I'll just put 162. This is my custodian. Okay, how we will going to see this as a PED? What is the key point here? How we can understand it as a PED? Yes, exactly. Okay. Once I go to the some vendor purchasing and all, and here if you are checking the vendor general data, here we have assigned the plant. Okay, PLM2 we have assigned it here. So that is why it is the PED. So I will just go with to this. Okay, first we will go into mark. Okay, so I will forget this. First thing, define warehouse, it is done. Next thing, assign warehouse number. Okay, in that SSC you have seen and PED also we have seen. Okay, assign SU and PED I will enter here. Next thing, define warehouse number control. Okay, the third step is define warehouse number control. Here also it is nothing. Okay, in the WHM2, what are the different things? Okay, we should use it. Mandatory fields or else some default fields. Okay, that one we are taking it here. Okay, so all these things I will be explaining it in the go. Okay, so unloading is WH9010 is there, but we have created something different. Okay, 901 is the unloading. So unloading additional HUs is like that. Okay, WPT, but we are using something different. Okay, we'll use that. Okay, so as of now, you just keep it this. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so later on, what are these things? Why we require this? We're going to check each and everything. Okay, so this is done. Okay, next thing is define number ranges. Okay, I'll just go back. Here, define number ranges. We have defined the number ranges for everything or not. We will going to check it. Okay, WHM2. Go to the intervals. Okay, for warehouse task and warehouse documents, we have defined some number ranges. Go back, and for the wave WHM2, we have defined the number range. For warehouse orders, warehouse order is nothing but it is an executable package where under this so many different warehouse tasks are available. Okay, we have means anyway in the future also we're going to discuss about this. Okay, define number range for the internal consolidation group. Okay, so for this also we have defined our number range. Okay, so if you are copying the warehouse also, the number ranges will not going to get copied because they are means we have to define it again. Okay, so that is one thing. So we have to define all the number ranges. VAS is also there. For indirect labor, we have to check it is there. And for physical inventory, it is available. Okay, next we just have to assign all these things. Okay, so go to the assign number range. Okay, just go to WHM2. In this we have given all the number ranges. Okay, whatever you have assigned, that only you have to give here. If the number ranges are changed, then also we're going to get errors. Okay, whenever you are creating some documents, so you cannot even create the documents. This is what. Okay, so this is one thing. So our number is also intact. And next we'll go to the define storage type. Okay, just go to the define storage type and go with the selection by content, my warehouse number. Okay, here WHM2, choose. Here I have created only ST0 and ST02 are the standard what is that storage types, and GRM2 and GIM2. Okay, so see, Manish might have asked this, no? So here I have defined this. Okay, GIM2 with the staging type, storage type role as D. Okay, and under this I have created two sections also, GRA1 and GRA2, like that. So that is why while creating the staging area, it will going to come. Okay, so please go through this. Okay, so WHM2 GRM2 is my GR staging area, GIM2 is my GI staging area group. Okay, this is a group. Okay, that is what I have defined here. Only 4 I have defined. Okay, and we have completed this. Okay, further go, we're going to define so many storage types. Okay, but as of now, only 4 are there. And now please stop practicing the ERP structure. Okay, once you have done, it is not going to useful further. Okay, so please stop it. Just practice the EWM structure from now. Okay, don't touch the ERP structure. So here storage sections we are defined or not, we're going to check it. Okay, we'll go to the storage sections. WHM2. Here I have given these are the storage sections. See, these many storage sections are available for us. One, GIM2, I have defined GIA1 and GIA2. GRM2, I have defined GRA1 and GRA2 sections within the what is that? The GR staging area and GI staging area. So these are the staging area groups. Under that, these are the staging areas like that. Okay, we are staging certain materials, and that is why I have taken the example of some heavy loaded materials and lightweight materials. So GIA1 might be taking a lightweight, GIA2 might be taking a heavyweight, like that. We have defined this. Okay. So next is I have given the standard storage type. Now for that also I have defined some section 1 and section 2, something like that. Okay. So this is done. So sections also we have defined. Next thing, okay, next thing, storage bins. Okay, I will just go to the master data storage bins. So here we have to define the bin type, bin access type, and bin identifiers and the bin structure. Okay. So first we're going to go to the bin type. Okay, position WHM2. We have defined two bin types, that is BT01 and BT02. So they are available with us. Okay, BT01 and BT02 are available with us. Okay. So what we have defined within this, one is for 10 kg and another is for 50 kg, like that we have defined. Okay. And bin access type, we have defined some WHM2. We have defined forklift and manual. Okay. So these are the bin access type. Okay. How we're going to access the bins. And bin identifiers, we have defined ASL, same thing will be there. We'll just check it once. Okay. ASL, BD, it is available. So we have defined this, and bin structure. So in the bin structure, we have defined the template. Okay. So I'll just go with the ST01 back here. Okay. We have defined the template and we have given all the things and the starting bin and the end, starting bin and the end bin. After that, increment, how increment should be there and where it is. ST01, section 1, BT01, like that. We have defined everything. Okay. So just go back. Okay, it is done. Yeah, so we'll just check it whether it is available or not. So what we are doing, bin types we have defined, access type, identifiers, and bin storage, bin structure. We have defined all these things. Okay. Next is creation of the storage bins. We have created with the LS01, LS10. Okay, bin upload program. All these things I have shown you already. Okay, where we are going to do it? We have to go to the easy access. Okay, here in the master data, go to the storage bin. Okay, you have all the details here. LS01 to create the storage bin manually. LS02 to change the bins. Okay, if anything you have created and you want to change or you want to block the bins and all, you can do it over here. Okay, LS02. LS03 is only for the display and we can toggle between the change and display. Okay, see, I will just go to the change here. We're going to give some ST01, sorry, pin 1 only, right? Pin 01, okay. Once I'm going to, I want to change it means, or else I want to just display. See, I can toggle between the change and display over here only, okay. So this is, if I'm clicking on the display mode, it is LS03. If I'm clicking on the change mode, it is LS02. Okay, like that it will be there. So I'll just go back, and in LS11 we have seen how we're going to do the mass change and generation of the bin. We have seen it the LS10. Okay, all these things we have done. Okay. So this is okay. That activity is done, and now we're going to see the activity area part. Okay. So first thing we're going to we have defined our activity areas. Activity area is nothing but the logical grouping up of the bins, and here where certain activity will going to take place. Okay. So first we have defined our activity area. We can able to define manually also, but we can generate activity area from the storage type also. But whether it is available or not, we are just checking it in the WHM2. Our activity area ST01 and ST02 are available. Okay. So and we have seen the how the sorting will going to differ. Okay. So that one also we have seen sorting up of the activity, sorry, storage bins. Okay. Here WHM2. Okay. So this is what means standard only we have taken. and we have given the sorting for all the different activities. Okay, so that is also done from our end. And where you are sorting the bins in SBST. Okay, here you will going to provide the warehouse number, activity area, and the activity, and you will be sorting it. If you are not providing the activity, it will be creating for all the different activities. If you are not providing the activity area, then it will going to create for whatever the activity areas are available in this particular warehouse. It will going to sort. It will going to do the sorting for all the storage types, or the activity areas. Okay, so that is how it is going to work. So we have defined that all those things it is done. Okay, I will just put the 1 minute here. So generate activity area, it is done. Bin sorting is done. Okay. Now staging areas. Okay. Here I have been through staging areas, define staging areas. So here WHM2. Okay. Here I have given the GI staging area for the goods issue, GR staging area for the goods receipt. Okay. So here I have defined them. Go back. Next, define staging area to door determination. I have created SAD1 and SAD2 as a door determination groups. Okay. Here I am grouping the doors like that. Okay. So where we are grouping in the warehouse door only, we are going to see it. Define warehouse door. I might have created IBD1 and IBD2. Okay. See, IBD1 and IBD2 I have created, and OBD1 and OBD2 I have created. Okay. So go back, and here assign staging area to door group. Okay. So it is where we are assigning group, that particular thing. Okay. So for IBD1 and OBD1, I have taken the SAD1 as a door determination group because they are taking care of the lightweight materials, and IBD2 and OBD2 are taking the heavyweight materials. So I am defining with the SAD2. I am just differing them. Okay. So next is assign staging area group to the warehouse door. Here WHM2. See, staging area group is there, and this is the staging area is there. Okay, the section is within the staging area group is nothing but the staging area. Okay, so here also for IBD1 I have given GRE1, IBD2 I have given GRE. Okay, for OBD1 GIA1 and OBD2 GIA2 I have given. Okay, this is how I have assigned my door staging area group to the staging area. Okay, so until this we have completed. Okay. So
Sri?
yes.
Yeah, one quick query, Sri.
Yeah.
Sri, while we are saving all this information, we will get some table information also where it is getting stored, right?
Correct.
So if it is possible, can you just, if you remember those tables also, can you include those table information also over here? That would be very helpful.
Yeah,
because
definitely. But most of the time, I will show that. Okay, I will be using some monitor kind of thing. Okay, there only I will be using all the. Okay, you will going to get everything for your warehouse in the monitor only. Here, for every means tables are must. Okay, but in EWM
because now we don't require those things, but definitely once we work in EWM also, in that case also, if the data is stored, we can go and check in warehouse monitor. But if we want to provide some logic or something, in that case, this table information will definitely help.
Yeah, table you already know. Okay, if you go to some, okay, let us consider I am going with the storage sections. I am going with the storage sections. Okay, whenever you are defining the section here, you can just go with this. Okay, here you have to click F1 here. Okay, you already know this. Okay, but whoever is new, okay, please understand. Wherever I have created a section, I will just click F1 over here, and here in the technical information, you will going to get the table name and the field name. Okay, so through this also you can analyze what is the table and what is the field for this. Okay, if you go to this table, okay, what is the where we have to go for the table SC16N.
SC16N.
Okay, so we have to go to the SC16N here. Okay, and open up this table. Okay, here we will going to get what is that? 1 minute. I will open up the section again. Okay. See, this is the field what we require. Okay, for the sections. Find the field Okay, here you have got the
storage section.
storage section. Okay, so this is how we can able to identify it. Okay, but somewhere they are going to provide, instead of the table, they have provided the structure. There only will going to get the difficulty, but in monitor you can see everything. Okay, Abacus will be knowing that, right? So as you said, okay, tables are really important, as you said, but everything we can check in the monitor. But if sometimes we will be enhancing, okay, enhancing certain things, enhancements will be there. That time we need to provide these tables to the Abacus. Okay, that time definitely what you ask is really required. Okay, and that one we can able to take it like this. Okay, table names and field names, like we can take it like this. Okay,
Okay.
whenever it is required. Okay, so we have defined everything now. Now it is about the interlinkage. Okay, for first thing we will going to do the interlinkage at the ERP end. Okay, and next we will going to move to the EWM end. Okay, so I will just close this, go back. Okay, so now first thing, okay, I will go to the first page. Okay, next is SPRO, IMG, okay, where the linkage we are going to do, that one we are seeing it. Okay, here integration with other SAP components. Under that, I have to go to the extended warehouse management. Here, go to the basics. See, here we have already assigned our landscape. Okay, the name of the logical system and all we have defined it here. Okay, so this one I am not showing it again and again. Okay, so here we have defined our logical system. Okay, this MD0 and CLNT 100 is our logical system, because you can see here. See, MD1 and 100 is there, no? Logical system will be CLNT in between. Okay, so this one we have defined here. And assignment of the logical, yeah, all these things are done. But now I am going for the linkage, right? So here we have to go to the basic settings for the EWM linkage. Okay, basic settings for the EWM linkage. Just go here, and within this, first check whether the configuration for the SAP EWM specific parameters is intact or not. See, here I have given that step, configuration of the SAP's EWM specific parameters. What is this SAP EWM specific parameters? We have to assign, okay, I will just show one picture over here. See, 1 minute. Okay, this one. Okay, we have defined our warehouse number. Okay, and you know, plant and storage location combination we have assigned to this WM2, and just now I have shown, right? Plant and storage location AFS or ROD I have assigned it to WM2, correct? No, so this combination we have given, and what I am giving this warehouse number. Okay, whatever the warehouse number I have defined, that WM2 3-digit warehouse number in the ERP side, whether it should transfer the data to decentralized warehouse number or the decentralized EWM system or centralized EWM system, every data will be there. See, configure the SAP EWM specific parameters. I'll just go here and I'll open up my warehouse WM2. See, for this WM2, okay, I have given it the external WM is EWM, extended warehouse management I have given here. Okay, EWM I have given here. And distribution, when it should distribute very immediately at the document creation. When I'm going to create the document creation now, that time the distribution should be done. Okay, and this one you remove it. Okay, GR from EWM, it is not required anyway. GR will be from the EWM only. And Q and serialized asynchronous. Okay, serialized. What is that? Asynchronous RFC. What is this asynchronous RFC we have discussed? See, whenever the TRFCs we were using, okay, TRFC means that is the what is that transport or what is that remote functional calls. Whenever we are using that time, some what is that transactions used to overlap. Okay, so that is why we are using the serialized unsynchronous RFC. Asynchronous means it is not synchronizing. Okay, it is not going to sync with one another. It is asynchronous. Okay, and serialize. Okay, one queue will be there. Once we're going to resolve the queue, then only it will going to move to the next. Okay, until that the queue will be stuck in the system like that. Okay, so that one we have given this entire idea. So that one, it is 1 minute. I'll just save this. Okay, so this activity is done. First thing. Second thing, generate distribution model for the transaction data transfer. Okay, so here I am going to do it here only. Generate distribution model for the transaction data. Okay, I'll just execute this. Mine is WM2. If I have done already, okay, then it will just show us. Okay, then where you are going to find the logical system of SAP EWM. Okay.
So it's the logical system in bottom also we can see that, right?
Yeah. No, this is CLNT they have provided, but we have to assign to dummy logical system. Okay. This one is MD01 CLNT we have to include, but EWM logical system will be something different. You can check it in the EWM system. Where means I will just show you. SPRO IMG SCM EWM. In that, go to the sorry, not SCM SCWM. Okay, in this SCM basis, integration. Okay, integration, no integration. SCM basis. Okay, integration. Basic sentence for creation of the landscape. Name of the logical system. We have to find the EWM logical system, right? So our EWM logical system is MD01 EWM100. This is my logical system in the EWM side actually. Okay, they have created so many, but EWM side the logical system will be different. ERP side logical system will be different, right? So in this case, okay, if you know, okay, if you have the access for BD64, that is well and good. Okay, BD64 you will go and you will going to understand very easily here. Okay, where we need to assign our what is that warehouse like that. Okay, here you go to the EWM model, go to the MD1, and this is our EWM logical system. Okay, so MD1 EWM100. Okay, for this I have to assign this. Which one? Yeah, I have to give the linkage here. Okay, my warehouse should show that. Okay, I'll just provide EWM, that is a distribution model, and all the things I'm distributing. Okay, inbound delivery, outbound delivery, production material request, all these things I'll be like, this is why we will going to use this generate distribution model to EWM. Why we need to use this? This is about the QRFCs, okay, where we are telling all the transaction data will be transferring in the two-way, okay, from ERP to EWM and EWM to ERP. So that is why I'm just giving the distribution model here. So I will just execute this. It is not yet created, so that is why it is showing all the data. I will just save this. I'll say okay. And if you go and check in the BD64, it should appear to us. Okay, our warehouse should appear to us in anything, anywhere. It should appear to us. That's it. Okay, here warehouse numbers are there. No WM2. Just check it. It will be last most of the time. No WM2. You have to search. If it is not coming here, then it will be a problem. So many are there. 1 minute, I have to check one by one. www. Else I need to come again. Okay, we'll just check it once. Then we're going to come again and we're going to check it. WMA is there, WM1 is there. Okay, and just refresh this and go to the BD64 again. EWM model. Okay, here go to any sections.
Whether in production we will be having access for this BD64 to...
No, production will not be having the this particular thing.
Okay.
Okay, WM2 is not available. We'll check. Yeah, WM2 came here. Okay, so WM2 is available. Most of the time it will be at the last. Okay. So BD64 it is available. So this part is also done for us. Okay. So generate distribution model it is done for us. Okay. Please don't delete anything in the BD64. Okay. If you delete something, everything will going to go. Okay. Please don't delete it anything. If anybody is using it, actually nobody will going to provide the access for this. Okay. I just asked Manav to give the access, so they have provided. But in the practice system and all, you can get it. But most of the time, this is absolute. Okay, the authorization will not be there. Next thing, we have to assign the warehouse number to the EWM warehouse number. Okay, where we will going to do it. Okay, so where we can. Okay, here I have. So just come back. Okay. Okay, here you have the see in the extended warehouse management only you have the assigned warehouse number to EWM warehouse number. Okay, just execute this. Here, just find your warehouse number WM2. Basically, this is for the decentralized system. Okay, see here, assign warehouse number to warehouse number of the decentralized SCM system. But anyway, we're going to assign it here. Okay, so just save it. So this okay. This must be unique. I'll just remove this. I think it is 6 no. WMR, I don't know who has created this. Okay. I'll just assign mine and please take care of yours. Okay. WM2, I have assigned WHM2. Okay. I have saved it. Okay. So this one is done. So these are the 3 different settings what we're going to do it at the ERP end. Okay. Understood no all these things? Any doubts here? Linkages I'm giving at the ERP end we have completed 3 different settings. Now we will going to see it at the EWM end. Okay, I'll just go to /n. Okay, see SPRO IMG here SCM EWM. Within that, go to the interfaces. Okay, in the interfaces, go to the ERP integration. In the ERP integration, go to the general settings. In the general settings, we need to here this one assign warehouse number from the logistic execution. Okay, so that one only I have provided here. Assign warehouse number from the logistic execution. Okay, just execute this one. You need to assign your warehouse ERP warehouse to EWM warehouse. Whether just check position your ERP warehouse WM2. Just check. Okay, WM2 is not available. Just stay new entries. WM2, WHM2. Okay, I have assigned this. Just save this thing. Okay, WM2, WHM2, I have assigned this. Go back. So this is done. Okay, next thing is map store location. This is one more important thing. We are mapping. See, in the same path. Okay, ERP integration until that. Now go to the goods movement. Okay, in the goods movement, see this one map storage locations from the ERP system to EWM system. Just execute this. Okay, here I think it will not be there. PLM2. Okay, we're not going to find that because we have not assigned. Go to the new entries. PLM2. Storage location is ROD. Logical system. What is my logical system in the ERP side? See, customizing mapping table for the ERP plan to storage location. This is mapping to the MD1 CLNT we have to take. Okay.
Yes, MD1 CLNT 100.
Yes, exactly. Okay, this is the ERP side. That is why. Okay, this is MD1 CLNT 100. And what is the warehouse? Okay, warehouse number at the ERP side we are taking. Okay, WM2. And just see here. Okay, sorry, 1 minute. This is I think warehouse number at the EWM system only. Okay, EWM system only we are taking. Okay, so what I am doing is earlier you have seen that the plant and storage location combination I have given to the warehouse of the ERP and I have given the combination. But now I am giving the combination to the EWM system. Okay, this plant and store location combination I am assigning to the EWM warehouse. Okay, where in the ROD I have mentioned 001 is my availability group. Okay, just blindly do it. Okay, availability group, I will take a class and I am going to explain about the availability group. Okay, just click enter. Okay, my party entitled to dispose is 162, it is appearing here, and these goods in the put away. Okay, next, okay, goods in put away means that is ROD storage location. That is why it is saying goods in put away. So that is why I have assigned here. And next I am going to take PLM2 and AFS storage location, the same line, and WHM2 and 002. Okay, just and in AFS means we have assigned this 002 in the ST01 and ST02. You have observed that. I'll show that also. Okay, and this is goods completely available. Okay, just save this. Okay, this is one more important step. Okay, so this is where we have completed the assignment part. Okay, mapping up of the or linkaging up of the ERP to EWM system. Any doubts here in this? Okay, I'll take another 10 minutes. Okay, so please be here. Okay, so because whether the linkage is correct or not, how we will going to check? Okay, so for that I will just explain you the business scenario here. Okay, I will explain in some different sheet and I'll going to put it over here. Okay.
Yeah, see,
Yeah.
that 162 is assigned there automatically at PED. So if I create 163, then also we have to define here or how?
Yeah, PED you have to define. Yeah, correct. You have to define that PED also. Okay. Got it, no?
No, I am not able to understand because 162 you have created that SEU. Okay.
Okay.
So
it will come automatically, no? Once you have defined it here, no, it will come automatically. Okay. For that plant and storage location combination, it will come automatically. See, this is what the business is means we're going to get in the business. See, you have a company, okay? You have a company, and yours is some what is that? Let us consider some car company is there for us, okay? Car company, and we are ordering some tires to the vendor. It might be some MRF, okay? MRF is there. We are ordering some MRF, no? I have given MRP. Today is Friday, that is why. Okay, so the company is there. Yours is a car company. You are ordering some tires from the vendor. Okay, what you will going to do? You will going to raise the PO. Okay, here you will go. 1 minute. This will not going to take like this. Okay, you will going to raise the PO. Okay, PO to the vendor. Okay, so we'll consider like Amazon. Okay, Amazon is there. That is the what is that? Some vendor. We are ordering to the Amazon. Okay, we are the company. Let us consider. Okay, I am ordering something in the Amazon. So what I am doing? I am creating the purchase order here. Means I want this material like that. I am creating the purchase order here. Once I am going to give the purchase order, okay, they will going to send us the shipping notification. Let's see the Amazon, they're going to send the message to us. How will be the message? We are delivering your product from this particular time to this particular time. Okay, and please be at your home or please be at your office. Like that, it will going to send the messages. Correct, no? So same way, the vendor is going to provide the shipping notification to us. Okay, vendor is going to send back the shipping notification. Shipping notification. We need to maintain it in our system because somebody should be there to take these materials, right? If it is coming on Sunday, who will going to take? Okay, so that is why vendor is going to provide the shipping notification to the company. Okay, back to the company, but we need to maintain it in our system. Okay, after that, the whatever the shipping notification he has sent and we have maintained, no, this should distribute to the EWM system. This should distribute to the EWM system. Then only whatever you have created, it is correct. Okay, if it is not distributing, some error is there, we need to rectify that. Okay, only until this we're going to check it today, and later on I'm going to tell you. Once he will going to send the shipping notification. Okay, after that, what will going to happen, I'll tell you. Okay, we have to enter that shipping notification into our system in real 31N. I'll give you the entire details, okay, in the next class. Okay, so after that, we will going means that will going to distribute to the EWM the shipping notification. Then in the EWM side only we're going to take care all the different activities. Okay, GR and everything we can take it in the EWM system only. Okay, so we'll just check it now. Okay, so I'll go to the /n. Okay, for creation of the purchase order. Okay, and I will check what is the vendor for us. Okay, /n mk vz. This is for the this T code we're going to use for the how much vendors are created for our purchasing organization. Okay, I'll just execute. Nothing is there. No suppliers are there. Okay, not an issue.
Okay, it is for POM1.
Huh? No, we'll purchase. Yeah, POM2. No, for ours is POM2. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll say purchase.
You have created POM2.
Okay, I'll take the internal number. I'll just quickly create one. Okay, vendor.
You can extend one also. POM1 is already available.
No, it's okay. Creation is very easy now. We just do it. PLM2. When like that, we will going to create. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, straight. Okay, this one I have given. Just save this. Okay, see the business partner, it has given 179, but we have to take the internal numbers for the vendor. Okay, so what I will do, I'll go to the edit and go here, find your FLVN01. Okay, 00 first I'm going to make it for the finance. Okay, your corresponding language English I'm going to provide. Then you can enter, go to the company code data, put your company code, that is CCM2. Okay, so reconciliation account, and what else, payment terms I will going to put it. That is enough, I think. Okay, in the company code data, if anything is there, it will going to ask us. Okay, it will not going to save it up. Okay, I have saved this. Go to the FLVN01. This is the purchasing data, we need to put it here. Okay, go to the purchasing tab. Okay, purchasing org is POM2. Here it will be asking for the currency, payment terms, import terms. I am going to put it. Okay. Then partner functions, additional purchasing data, all those things are not required as of now. Okay, what we'll do, we'll just save this. Okay, once we're going to save now, it will going to provide one internal number range. Okay, if you go to the general data here in the vendor general data tab, it is provided the internal number range. This is the vendor for me. Okay, I'll just put this vendor somewhere else here. Okay, my vendor is this one. That is nothing but PLM2 vendor. Like that I have created. Okay, this is the name I have given. This is the number. Okay, and what is the BP? It has given 179. Okay. So I will just copy this number. Okay, based upon this vendor, I will be creating the PO now. Okay. For creation of the PO, the T code is ME21N. Okay. Click here, ME21N. I will be providing the supplier here. Okay. Header data, we have to provide the OR data here. Okay. In the header, we have to provide the OR data. My purchasing organization is POM2 and purchasing group. Okay. Take anything. Take anything from the drop down. Okay. I just take 001. Okay. Company code is CCM2. Okay. Once you have given the POM2, if you are not giving the CCM2 also, just click enter. It will take automatically. Okay. What is our material? We have created one material, right? Where we can check our material. Go to the /n MM60 to see all the materials which are created for the plant. Okay. So MM60, just execute. So we have created PLM2 mat 1. Okay. I am ordering this PLM2. Mat 1. Don't waste your time while creating the materials and all, okay? Just one material is enough to see all the data. I am ordering some 10 quantities, okay? And here net price I am going to give some 10 rupees, okay? And here these things are important. Plant I am going to put as PLM2 and storage locations ROD. I am receiving it at the ROD storage location, okay? I am receiving it at the ROD storage location. This one I am going to provide. I'll click enter. If any errors is there, no, it will going to give the error here. This is the caution. Can delivery date be met? Means the delivery date is today's date only. So that is why it is asking. It will going to meet. Okay, don't worry. If you want to give the further dates, okay, like April 21 I have given. That is fine. Okay, now the message will go. That is the caution. Don't worry about that caution. Okay, the new guys I'm telling. And almost all of you already know about this. Okay, I will be creating the PO. And one important thing here, in the confirmation tab at the this is the what is that here, this is the header level. This is what we call as a header level. Okay, here only all structured data you fill, but here whatever the address and all it will be taking. Now this is for the vendor address. Okay, this is the vendor address. Everything will be available. Okay, so don't worry about the what is that header data here. Come to the item data, item details. In the confirmation tab, you will going to get one confirmation tab. In the confirmation tab, you need to select this confirmation key as inbound delivery. Okay, where in your case something might be there. Here 0004 is there, no, somewhere else in your system some different thing will be there, but you have to select the inbound delivery. Then only we are going to do the GR based upon the inbound delivery. Means we can able to go with the VL31N. If you are not given this confirmation key, VL31N will not going to work over here. Okay, just click enter. Okay, and check, okay, whether the PO is correct or not. Check it. Okay, if there is no messages, see no message generated. Okay, output, this is output messaging. Okay, I will not going to tell about this and all. Okay, just save this. Okay, I will just save this purchase order. So my purchase order is this one. Okay, I have created this purchase order. Okay, copy it. Go to the Excel sheet. Purchase order is this one for me. Okay. So this is my purchase order. Now I will just go to the PL31N. Okay. So as I said, no, we're going to send the shipping notification. So to see that shipping notification or maintain that shipping notification, we have to go to the PL31N. Okay, 31N. This is the inbound delivery notification. Inbound delivery I am creating. Okay, just click enter. See, this is the vendor from where the material is coming, and this is the purchase order. Okay, so just now we have created, and just take it as a external ID as some 01. Okay, just some external ID I am giving it here. Click enter. Okay, and see here, the delivery date I am taking it as a 17. But whatever the delivery date they have provided, you can maintain that, not an issue. Okay, or else just keep it and move further. Okay, click enter. Okay, see what I am defining. See, this is the 10 materials what I have ordered. Okay, that will show here. But let us consider vendor is sending only 5 materials to us. Okay, the vendor is going to see, give you the notification. No, I am sending only 5 materials now. In the next week, I'm going to send another 5 materials. You can able to change this 5. I'll just make it 5. Okay, you can able to change this. If you see further, all these things I'm going to say, tell you in the later stage. Okay, ELN and all. Okay, if you go here, your plant and location should be maintained. If you have not maintained this, then it will be a problem for you. Okay, just you have given, you are maintaining the inbound delivery notification. Okay, just save this. Okay, save this. See here we are getting 2 different messages. Okay, and just copy the entire thing. Go here, paste it. Okay, what is the first message? Inbound delivery 18 some number was saved. Means they have sent the notification, we are saving it. This is one message. Inbound delivery, this number was saved. Second message is distributed to WMS. Okay, this is the important thing. Okay, without this distribution, okay, if it is not distributed, then you cannot able to proceed further. Okay, if it is just saying it is saved, something is missing in our data. Okay, we need to take care of that. So this is the distribution what it is done. So whatever the configurations we have done, it is perfect. So understood until this? Any doubts over here until this? Okay. So please do practice. Okay. Just you need to do the linkage and you need to create the purchase order, then the maintain the inbound delivery. Tomorrow we're going to see simple inbound delivery. Okay. Only simple inbound delivery. There, okay, I have not configured few things. That is purposefully we get certain errors. Okay, what are the different errors you may get? Okay, so we're going to check them. Okay, tomorrow. So please do practice until this. Okay? And tomorrow we're going to check some different things. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, or else we'll end this class. If no doubts, fine then. I will just